Hi guys, hope you're doing well and welcome to my channel Kaleidoscope. Today we are going to make very simple candle holder and vase fillers with the help of paper. So let's begin. Here are the materials flashing on the screen. So first let's make paper roll, and for that I have took some paper cuttings and I'm going to roll this paper cutting from the very edge or the very side, and this is how it looks when I have rolled it a little bit, and I'm going to roll this all the way through. So here's the thing, it depends on what size your paper roll is going to be on the basis of your size of leaf. So here I'm going to add a little bit of glue just to stick it so that it doesn't comes off, and here's one tube ready. So here are some more rolls that I have made. So I'm taking 3 of the paper rolls and I'm just sticking it from the very top with the help of some glue. So this is how the shape looks. Now I'm going to take 2 pipe cleaners and I'm going to put in the sides but not in the middle. So I'm just going to put one of the pipe cleaners to the very side and the other pipe cleaner to the other side. This is optional. If you want, you can use. If you don't want, you just don't have to use them because it's just for flexibility. So now I'm gonna take a brush or a pencil and just push it a little bit so that it gets back and it's deep into like. And now I'm gonna start bending this a bit to try giving it the shape of a leaf. Okay, just bend it, just move it around and just see how you want. And then you can just add some glue at the very bottom of the roll and just secure it with the middle roll so that it sticks and doesn't comes out. So we are almost done and we are done with the first half of the leaf. Now we are going to do the other half. A little bit of glue at the bottom and I'm just going to secure it. So here is our leaf ready. So I'm going to put the stem with the thick roll and I'm going to add a little bit of glue at the very top, and I am just going to put it in like this to make this stem. Now it depends on you how much long stem you need, but I'm just keeping a short and small stem. Now I'm going to make the veins with the help of another paper roll, and I have this is a little tough to understand might be, but it's really easy when you see. You have to take the roll from the middle till the side of your leaf to the outer, might be the outer roll, and just measure it how much you want, like you can see here. And I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue gun and secure it. I'm using hot glue gun because it's more fast and it's more easy, but you can use normal glue too. So stick all the way through. Also, one thing, try keeping your sides of your paper roll pointy. Now I'm going to paint this with the help of black color and a flat brush. Now it depends on what color you want, and it also depends on what where you're gonna put and what is the color of the base. If it's light, then take dark colored leaf. If it's dark, then take light colored leaf. Now here I'm using acrylic colors. You can just use any color like chalk paint or spray paint, and here as I'm using acrylic color, I am going to give 2 coats. But yeah, in different colors, it depends if you want a 1 coat or 2 coat. So yeah. So here are 2 of my leaves ready for the candle holder. Now I'm going to take a wine glass and I'm just going to use the bottom part, not the top part. And I'm going to paint this with black too. So yeah, here's how it looks. I have also taken a small roll and I've also painted that with black. Now I'm going to take the hot glue gun and I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue at the very bottom so that I can just stick the small roll over there. Now this is our holder, the candles holder, where the candle will sit on. And I'm going to let this dry, and then I will just at that meantime I'm going to just stick these leaves. So I have attached like this, and I've added some glue at the very bottom on the stems, and I'm also going to add a little bit of glue in the middle so that it's more rigid and it's more strong when you hung it on the wall. So yeah, now I'm going to add the holder in this. So now I'm just going to bend a little bit of the top of or the bottom of the roll, and this is how it is looking when we have bent the roll. And when you just put it on the stem of the leaves, this is how it's going to look, the overall candle holder. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue at the very bottom of my holder, and I'm just going to stick it on the stem. Now if you want to keep it like this, it's totally fine, but if you want something more rigid and strong, this is what you can do that I have done here. That is, I'm just adding a little bit of glue at the very point where my wine glass bottom sits on, the strong holder sits on. So I'm going to add some glue there and just stick it. And here you go, this is the final look. So here is the total final look, hung on the wall with a candle. And here is another, the vase fillers I have made in 2 colors, black and mustard yellow. So guys, if you liked today's video, do like, share and comment, and do subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, bye bye, take care.